Crypto chaos got you spinning, emotions running wild with every Bitcoin bounce or altcoin arc. Well, today we're mastering the mayhem. Welcome to the realm of rationality, where strategies are king and emotions are kept in check. It's not about the fear of missing out, it's about the thrill of wisely investing. Harness that adrenaline rush, channel it into a keen eye for pattern spotting. See that volatile market? It's not a beast to fear, but a rhythm to understand. And when you've got that rhythm down, profits will follow. They'll come not in a wild rush, but in a steady, satisfying stream. Want more of these risk-managing tips? Yearn to conquer the crypto chaos with a cool head and a strategic mind? Then hit subscribe. Ready to dive into the deep end? Register on Binance through my referral link in the description. Remember, in the world of crypto, it's not about the quick win, it's about the long game. Conquer the chaos, master your emotions, boost your profits. Now that's a winning formula. Until next time, stay rational and keep those profits climbing. #crypto emotional mastery, #Bitcoin success, #altcoin strategies.